Good day, traders. This is Hippolito from Day Trade Room. Just making a video to recap my trades for July 21st, 2014. Let's go right ahead and dive into that. My levels for today were all-time high 17,085. Friday's high 17,050, which we found some resistance Thursday. A little support here on Wednesday. Another resistance here, rejection on the 15th on Tuesday, and I was definitely marking it up today just in case we got up there, and we'll see. Gives me an idea to watch the tape. Next level down was 16,978, which was a really good level for the last week, and starting to show some interest this week. Monday there was a little support. It tagged it on Tuesday. A little support at the end of Tuesday, last Tuesday. Little support on Wednesday and Thursday actually, and resistance on Friday. Finally cracked it up on Friday, and this morning we had some resistance, which I took a couple trades off of today. That level, next level was 16,947, which was Friday's low, and it was a really good support. And market ran up on Friday, shot right up, and that level came into play today too. And obviously we got the big range gap. Actually, not that big. It's only 18 ticks or so. Range gap here that still hasn't been filled, and that's a level that I would like to get revisit with price. So keep an eye on that. And as far as our trades, my trades for today were basically good push on the open. Tag, we cracked the overnight low and bounced back up to test our 978 band here. And once it came up, these algos started coming on, and I took a short, got in front of them, used that wick as a stop, and I got a +9 scale, and then the rest, my other two scales were scratch trades as the market came back up. It was very, very choppy this morning, very, very choppy. Next second trade, it came up. I saw an algo at 77, sitting there. I took my short. See, he lifted. Market went up, almost stopped me out. I had my stop somewhere up here. It came within 2 ticks from my stop, a 10-tick usual stop for me. Came within 8 ticks and took 8-tick heat, and it gets reversed and it came down nicely. So I got +9, got very, very choppy here. And I just took another scale just in case it popped, and it started popping up here, so I felt pretty good. Then it just rolled over and took my last scale here. I did not want to see it. Once we popped this low here on this move down, I did not want to see this market come back up, so I took my stop and put it there just in case. And it's a really good management there, just in case it did shot right up. I didn't want to take too much, didn't want to give back too much. So that was my second trade, and I found a nice algo right here. He was sitting at 40. I took my entry at 39. Put my stop right above here, just in case we rolled over. And it just didn't. That algo just at 40 sitting there, just sat there, and he went to work. And I joined him, and I took a nice scale off of him there. It came back. I was looking for my last scale. It was a smaller size. My last scale was basically sitting over here for the range gap fill, and we just couldn't get that. It just popped up. I gave it another shot to see if it can go, and as soon as it popped up, boom, I wanted to get out right there. And we got up there, and my next order was basically if we can come here, find an algo, a seller there, lean on him and see if we can come back down. And that's what I did. See that little black arrow there? I saw the same algo that was over here. As soon as I went in, he lifted, market blasted right through him and took me out. That was actually my biggest stop of the day. And from there it changed, but the market changed a little bit, and I was still short bias. Still wanted that a roll. I was still looking for that rollover. We passed the VWAP, and it just died, just absolutely died up there. And as it was coming down, came back up, completely died at top here, and I took my short. My stop was right above this guy here, and I took to a +9, a +5, and then a small little stop. As soon as I saw it coming back down, I lowered my stop for a -4 on the last one there, and the market just shot right up, and that was a little surprise. I was interested in this level here, which is the overnight POC, point of control, volume point of control, and these are little stop outs looking for me to roll over. I was looking to fade above the 17,000. I found a couple sellers up there, and those guys were just as soon as I put in my orders, those guys just could not bring it back down. Buyers just completely stood there. But those algos, they were live and they were trading. They were very noticeable. And again, there was all tape reading. I knew where I wanted to get off. When I do those tape reads, I wanted to work really quick. I wanted to go up here, spend 15, 20 seconds, and I wanted to see it work my way. And knowing how to tape read, I can take really small stops, and on top of that, I knew, I was aware that I was stepping in front of a possible train, so I really didn't want to put my stop, put my order, and then put a big stop, and then try to see if I can scale out, going back here. So just in case, instead of putting that back a big stop and then bang, take a big hit, I was going to look for a level, look for a seller, and algo, level, look for an algo, get on him, and then boom, rely on him for him to drive the market down. And that's what I did. That's what I was doing on these 4 orders up here. And they were all tight stops, and those guys just could not turn it over. And then took a nice long here. The bias on that, the idea behind that long was basically I wanted to see if we can come up and fill Friday's close at 17,033. And we just couldn't get up there. I took a long here, 2 ticks, really good, nice tape reading. I found a couple algorithms right here. Big boys are just buying it up. They were reloading. I got in front of them, took my stop right behind them. I felt confident they were not going to let the market come back down, and they tried to drive the market up. A couple scales at 9, and then the last scale I got a +1, a break even +1. As soon as it came down, I put it right in front of those guys, and I just got popped up and tried, but just couldn't go. My initial idea was basically come up here, and then roll back up, and see if we can get one up here. And it just couldn't do it. Just ran out of steam, ran out of time, and that was just it. So for the day, I managed to put 10 orders, 10 trades, +49 for the day. And most important thing, obviously, I'm green. I'm green for the day, and it's Monday. It's a great way to start the week on the green side. Again, it's all price action, mostly trend lines, key levels, and a lot of tape reading. So if you're interested in price action trading and tape reading, again, just go to our website, thedaytraderoom.com. Click on the live room tab there. That'll take you to a page where it gives you more information on what we're doing in the room. Basically gives you a schedule of our day, a little background on myself. Mostly I trade the YM. Give you an idea what we're bringing to the table. And if you click on this one here, the free trial tab, that'll take you here. Put your name, email, hit submit, and we will get you all set up. And you can come in there and see if you can join us on price action trading and some tape reading. So until tomorrow, guys, have a good one and take it easy.